I've cut a piece of hose and I'm checking the fit before I put it on. The one thing I think all Chinese diesel heater installs should have is a shutoff valve directly after the fuel tank. That way, if there's any leaks or issues, you can shut the fuel off and stop it from leaking. It will also allow you to be able to repair anything after the tank without having to drain the tank of its fuel. Let me tighten everything down, and then I'm ready to install the tank back up where it belongs. So it'll sit like this, then I'll reach back and flip it on, and flip it off. Hopefully that'll work okay. I also got a better filter, and I'll talk more about that in another video. Bye for now, more to come.